Hi my angels, I am your baker Rani Priyanka and today I'm sharing with you all my September favorites. Number one on my list is this baby modeling chocolate. Now you all know I launched my class called I Hate Fondant. What I realized was in our class we were wasting way too much time in making our own modeling chocolate, and I didn't even know that there was a product like this available in the market. And then I got in touch with my dear friend from Ahmedabad, Pinky, and she told me, hey, we've also got the modeling chocolate by the brand Sugaring, so why don't you try that out? So she sent this across to me. I tried it out and oh my god, it has been such a savior. I can't tell you. It's a wonderful product, very easy to use and so good. As a baker, we're always on a lookout for some flavor that's kind of new, something that's kind of different in the market, right? And this time we tried out a new flavor using Cafe Patron. We made a coffee flavored tequila sugar syrup and it was such a hit. अब केक को सुंदर दिखाना है तो आप लोग को एक केक स्टैंड तो डेफिनेटली चाहिए, राइट? I have a lot of cake stands, but the biggest problem with all of them usually has been the storage. Now, my dear friend Daksha from the Proper Fare by Daksha, she introduced me to her dismantleable cake stands and they are so good. You can store them separately like this, so this way you don't end up hogging onto a lot of space, and it's just so convenient. Another thing that I really like about them is that they're available in different sizes. They're quite big and they're very sturdy. I have put up a cake which is about 14 inches by 14 inches on this one and it's been just fantastic. I really like this one. Now this is a machine I'd actually purchased a long time ago, but I only got about to using it like this month. It's an amazing machine. What is it called? It's called Sizzix. And what is it? It does die cutting. Now people who are into craft would have used it a number of times, but I'm fairly new to this one. But it made my life so much easier. Like, I love working with wafer paper, and because I'm able to cut so smoothly, so conveniently and so fast, so accurately with this, I think this definitely, I think it tops my list for this month for sure. So you all know that this month a lot of bakers were in Bombay because of the event, and we decided to visit Moner for dinner and dessert. We got to try out every dessert in there, but my favorite among all of them was their Rocher. I love that one. It's very similar to the Ferrero Rocher that you guys would have had in your childhood and even now, but that one was by far my favorite dessert this month. Now last but not the least, I had the opportunity to yet again meet my favorite YouTuber, my favorite food content creator, Shivesh. My favorite moment, why? I'm just getting to it, because he noticed that I have been doing YouTube videos, but I haven't really been doing for myself. Like, I didn't have a channel of my own. He was with 50 other people around there, and you know, he located me in the crowd and then he said, listen, you've got to up your own YouTube game. And that I was like, whoa, like he's been noticing my work. Amazing. Like, that was my baking moment for this month. So my friends, these were my September favorites. Let me know if you've used any of these. Let me know what are your September favorites in the comments below. Like, subscribe and share.